The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 8:45 a.m. At 7:57 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wharton State Forest, 25 miles southwest of Toms River, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Beechwood, Shimone, Presidential Lakes Estates, Seaside Heights, Lakehurst, Holiday City South, Chatsworth, Wharton State Forest, Holiday City Berkeley, Denver Lake, Cedar Glen Lakes, Whiting, Pine Ridge, Crestwood, Old Halfway, Leisure Village West Pine Lake Park, Pleasant Plains, Dover Beaches South, South Toms River and Island Heights. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 76 and 84. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean. North winds 10 to 15 knots. Gusts up. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood warning for the Christina River at Tooth Bridge. For this morning, at 7:46 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 9.3 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this morning to a crest of 11.1 feet this morning. It will then fall below flood stage late this morning. Impact. At 9.0 feet, flooding begins in fields and floodplain adjacent to the river. Impact. At 11.0 feet, flooding begins in the town of Christiana. East Main Street, Del 7 begins to flood, as does Water Street. Meadow Road near Newcastle Airport is subject to flooding. Barksdale Road near Cashier Mill Road is also subject to flooding, as are residential backyards. Impact. At 11.5 feet, portions of Durris Heights near Newcastle Airport begin to flood, including Don Avenue. Airport Road at the Newcastle Airport begins to flood as the Christina River backs up to Somerset Creek. Waltham Road in the Bear area also floods. Flooding also occurs around Smalley's Pond Dam in Christiana. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 11.1 feet on June 7, 2003. Airport Road at the Newcastle Airport begins to flood as the Christina River backs up. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, until 9:30 a.m. At 8:38 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bamber Lake, or 9 miles southwest of Toms River, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Lakewood, Beechwood, Mena, Squam, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Heights, Lakehurst, Manilokin, Leisure Village, Dover Beaches North, Holiday City South, Pleasant Plains, Leisure Village East, Dover Beaches South, Holiday City Berkeley, Denver Lake, Brick Township, Whiting, Pine Ridge at Crestwood, and Leisure Village West Pine Lake Park. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 75 and 94. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Monmouth and Ocean. 6:31 a.m. and sunset is at 7:33 p.m. The following is a tornado watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 482, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Cecil, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 482 has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Cecil, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. In New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex. The following is a tornado watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 483, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties: in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 483 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties: in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Gusts up to 30 knots. Waves 2 feet or less. Thunderstorms until midnight. Showers. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 1:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Several inches of rain are expected through the afternoon. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Reading, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Sitting Spring, Loyaldale, Wilberforce, Wintersville, Tofton, and Robinsonian. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 298. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 45. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood warning for the Schuylkill River.
You're bad.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood warning for the Schuylkill River at Norristown.
Oh, this one, okay.
From late tonight to Friday afternoon. At 3:30 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 8.6 feet. Flood stage is 13.0 feet.
Oh, look at this.
Moderate flooding is forecast.
I thought it was major.
Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tonight to a crest of 18.0 feet tomorrow morning.
Maybe not.
It will then fall below flood stage late Friday morning.
Friday.
Impact at 12.5 feet. Flooding occurs in West Norton. The West Indian Lane Bridge begins to flood. Impact at 13.0 feet. Water begins to cover and close Riverview Boulevard in West Norton. Impact at 15.0 feet. River Road in West Conshohocken begins to flood.
Yeah, I know that.
The lower garages at the Riverview Landing and the loft at Valley Forge start to take on water. The lower section of Fort William Road in West Norton becomes impassable. Impact at 16.0 feet. The Upper Marion Boathouse starts to flood. Impact at 17.0 feet. A couple industries along the river begin to have flood problems. Water begins to cover rails in Conshohocken. Septic tracts at Mogees in Plymouth Township begin to flood. Ross Street in Plymouth Township at the Sewer Authority plant floods under the railroad bridge and bike trail. Flooding also occurs along Diamond Run at Station Road in Plymouth Township.
Go on! Suck.
At 19.0 feet, flooding occurs at Riverfront Park in Norristown, blocking the entranceway. Apartment parking lots are flooded on DeKalb Street in Norristown. Water also begins to enter the parking lots of the Riverside Apartments. Businesses and industry along DeKalb Street and on East Washington Street in Norristown begin to flood. Stony Creek begins to back up. Sawmill Run starts to flood.
What are you doing?
The intersection of water and Lafayette Street in Norristown is flooded, affecting businesses. Flood is...
Quintuple header.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood warning for the Schuylkill River at Philadelphia. From late tonight to Friday morning. At 3 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 6.6 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast.
I'm taking the WXL 39 out of commission. This is crazy. I'm only got a quadruple head right here.
It will then fall below flood stage early Friday morning. At 10.4 feet, Kelly Drive is flooded and closed between North Ferry Road and Falls Bridge. Impact at 11.0 feet, Kelly Drive is flooded and closed between Hunting Park Avenue and Falls Bridge. The flood block area is flooded. Impact at 11.5 feet.
Oh my god.
To Ridge Avenue is flooded and closed. NLK Drive is flooded and closed between Greenland Drive and Montgomery Drive.
There you go, behave.
Impact at 12.0 feet. Main Street in Winona floods in the area of Sherwood Lane. Impact at 13.0
They just all
feet.
came
Main
in.
Street in Winona is closed from Ridge Avenue to Labrington Street. Flood history.
Oh my
This
God.
crest compares to a previous crest of 13.1 feet on October 1st, 2010.
Ow. 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 Ready?
A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for East Central Hartford and Northwestern Cecil counties. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing...
I think I know what happened here. They didn't want to tone all 5, so they just toned them together. That's why, probably why the first one ran out, because they just toned all 5 together. Okay. When they couldn't finish the other one, they just had to put on another one, so. No quintuple header for Montco.
20th, 1996.
Go off, please. You went off. Oh, you actually suck. You went off as well, so.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a flash flood warning for Sullivan County in central New York, Northeastern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Central Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 10 p.m. At 4 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain has already fallen, with rainfall rates approaching 1 inch in 1 hour at times.
Damn.
Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches is possible this evening and tonight. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Monticello, Liberty, Matamoros, Fallsburg, Bethel, Damascus, Neversink, South Fallsburg, Callicoon, Cochecton, Waymart, Wurtsboro, Woodridge, Bloomingburg, Jeffersonville, Bethany, White Lake, Smallwood, Mongold Valley, and Fostertown. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.
Are they gonna tell me extensions too? If I do, then I'm done. I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, alright. We're done here. There's nothing else. Sorry. Nothing else to see. Go off 100! No, you went off the last time! What are you doing? Oh my god.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 8:15 p.m. At 4:12 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen, and additional rain.
I thought in this one on the first header.
Flash flooding is
the first EOM,
ongoing or
because
expected to begin
that was about to go boom, boom. Bam. Lehigh River. At, like, these places. It's not going up.
Some locations that may experience flash flooding include
You will not go off.
Easton, Bethlehem, Norristown, Pottstown, Lansdale, West Norton, Forks, East Norton, Emma.
You will not go off.
Quakertown.
And, I don't care about you.
Mile markers 334 and 344.
Tornado warning for Chester County, Pennsylvania.
And 76.
Got it.
State 78 in New Jersey between mile
That's what?
markers 0 and 9. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 70. Turn around. Don't drown.
Jeez.
Most flood deaths occur.
Ooh. Tornado or flood? Tornado. Yeah, probably. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Did you go off? Okay, so they toned it. All right.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Chesapeake County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 4:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Glenroy, or 14 miles northwest of Elkton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Coatesville, Oxford, Parkersburg, Holmville, Glenroy, Mount Vernon, Cochranville, Atwood, South Coatesville, and Modena. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Chester, Pennsylvania.
If you tone it, you won't, but if you do,
The National
thank you.
has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware.
What I mean is that there's a flood watch. Sterling is doing river flood watches, and there's one for Conelingo Dam. That's in Cecil, and they toned it before for a warning, so. Yeah, if that ever happens, if that ever turns into a warning, I'll be there, but there's probably gonna be something that Mount Holly does. Ooh, considerable. Become a flash flood emergency.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Northeastern Chesapeake County in southeastern
Pennsylvania.
Delaware County in southeastern
Not the time to static.
Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:45 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area.
I don't care about Passaic.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas, highways,
I'm not gonna move.
and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Westchester, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Westtown, Downingtown, Souderton, Antler, and Collegeville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 307 and 333. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 330. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 18. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 38. Turn around. Don't drive on encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Oh, it's only for... Oh, now wait you! Go to WSJ, go to WSJ, go to WSJ, go to WSJ! A confirmed tornado.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, until 6:30 p.m.
Confirmed tornado, Dorchester. They issued a new warning.
Producing waterspouts with locations.
Meanwhile, I'm getting a Sterling Marine warning here, as you can see.
Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater in waterspouts.
That's a tornado warning.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly high winds and waves capsizing their vessels.
Why do I sound like that? Oh my god.
Overturn boats and
My voice is like maturing, but
locations impacted include Pinehurst, Manistee River.
like I'm maturing, but very slowly.
Point,
I mean,
Greenberry Point, Love Point, Naval Academy,
PHI2's tornado warning.
Baltimore Light, Severn River, Chesapeake Bridge, 7-foot no, and Annapolis.
I told you it would be southern Kent.
Central Maryland and adjacent coastal waters. Move to St. Harbor
So hazardous weather passes. Tornado. When? Like right now. Ow. Tornado.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for
West
Central Sussex County in southern Delaware, southwestern Kent County in central Delaware, southeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland until 5:45 p.m.
Okay.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Hurley, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
Damn it, fast.
Tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
This is just wave 2, by the way. Wave 1 was the flooding. This is wave 2, and then it's gonna die down, and then the huge crap is gonna
cover
fall.
now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor
Then
of
it's
a
gonna
sturdy
be with a
building.
big switch.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and Caroline, Maryland.
Okay.
Oh my god, a quadruple header, Jesus Christ.
I got another triple. Why did I say another triple? I got my first triple header.
in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for southwestern New
That's like the biggest tornado warning ever.
northwestern Kent County,
Never mind.
central Delaware, northeastern Plains County, and
Where's the severe thunderstorm warning?
Caroline County in eastern Maryland, east central
Yeah,
Kent
they're gonna
County,
tell me
and
that
northeastern
because Kent.
Maryland until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01
They're gonna tell that because
a
Kent
severe
and Caroline.
thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Goldsboro, or 14 miles west of Dover, moving northeast at 50
Wakefield,
miles per
shut
hour.
up. You just issued that.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact,
It's not.
flying
It's small,
debris
but it
will be
has a lot of
dangerous to
counties
those
in it.
without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
It's small, but it just has a lot of counties.
Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Smyrna, Clayton, Cheswell, Hartley, Delaney Corner, Green Spring, Kenton, Whitestick, Henderson, Meridian, and Templeton. Take cover now.
What?
The following is a flash flood watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch now in effect until 1 a.m. Thursday. The flash flood watch is now in effect for a portion of central Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Adams, Columbia, Cumberland, Dauphin, Uniata, Lancaster, Lebanon, Mifflin, Montour, Northumberland, Perry, Schuylkill, Snyder, Union, and York. Until 1 a.m. Thursday. Heavy rainfall will be tapering off early this evening. Some heavy rainfall is still possible before midnight, which could still produce new areas of flash flooding. Many area streams and rivers are already running high or have gone out of their banks. While some additional rises are possible overnight, most of the smaller streams and creeks will be falling through the night. Only the large creeks and rivers will remain in flood status by morning. Flash flooding can inundate roadways and flood homes in less than a few hours. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Tornado warning.
Just have fun.
The tornado warning for southeastern Hunterdon, northwestern Mercer, and southwestern Somerset counties will expire at 7 p.m. Storm which prompted the warning has weakened below the
There's one that's... Whoa!
Tornado emergency for Bristol, Croydon, and Burlington. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for central Mercer County and central New
Tornado
Jersey,
emergency.
northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Beverly, or 12 miles southwest of Trenton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Bristol, Croydon, and Burlington. This is a zero particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter.
God!
Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Bensalem, Ewing, Willingboro, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Bordentown, Pennington, Beverly, Yardley, Towertown, Langhorne, Washington Crossing, Windsor, Florence Roebling, Woodside, Edinburgh, Whitehorse, and Andalusia. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 6 and 6A, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 353 and 359, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 34 and 40, Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 5, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 57 and 76. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado has been confirmed. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may...
Cut it off. Watch this. Flash flood emergency, Bucks County, Pennsylvania.
Flash flood emergency for a large portion of Bucks County.
What is is happening?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until midnight. At 7:05 p.m., Emergency Management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 7 inches of rain have fallen. Widespread flash flooding is occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for a large portion of Bucks County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard. Life-threatening flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Oh, crap.
Source. Emergency Management reported. Impact. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Bensalem, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Bedminster, Chalfont, Tinicum, Newtown, Dublin, Linghorn, and Ibelin. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 347 and 355. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 36 and 37. Northeast Extension between mile markers 39 and 44. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
That's the end of it. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm gonna. Oh my god! This storm. Ida wants to kill us. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay. This is absolutely insane. Oh my god. Whoever is in any of those, I think it's legit like taking up all of Bucks. Yeah, it's pretty much taking up all of Bucks. Bucks County, you're under a flash flood emergency and a tornado emergency at the same time. I know this compilation, I know this is gonna come out very late, like maybe like 3 days in advance, but holy crap. Like, you're in a tornado emergency, you gotta get to, like, low, you gotta get low. But the flash flood emergency means you have to go up high, which doesn't really help much, so holy crap. This is like an ultimate death. Oh my god. This is it. This is the end of the compilation, maybe. There's probably gonna be some other stuff, but oh my god. Oh, shit, oh my god. I'll see you guys in the next alert. Hopefully it's not an emergency. Oh my god. It was an emergency.
A flash flood warning for Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until midnight. At 7:31 p.m., local law enforcement reported flash flooding across the warned area. Between 3 and 7 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for portions of southeast Hunterdon County and much of Mercer County, including Trenton. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Trenton, Ewing, Princeton, Byram, Flemington, Clinton, Pennington, New Hope, Yardley, Hopewell, Ferndale, and Fronttown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey near mile marker 16. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile marker 62 and 76. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
You've actually got to be kidding me. Stop issuing emergencies. Holy crap. There it is. Chester Creek near Chester. Duh.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood warning for the Chester Creek near Chester.
Yeah.
From this evening to late tonight. At 7:46 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 8.4 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Recent activity, the maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 7:46 p.m. Wednesday was 8.4 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise to a crest of 8.8 feet late this evening. It will then fall below flood stage late this evening. Impact, at 7.0 feet, the creek floods adjacent open land. Flood history, this crest compares to a previous crest of 8.7 feet on April 17, 2011. The National Weather Service flood emergency for Northeastern, Somerset, and northern Middlesex counties.
Another
The
one?
National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, South Central Morris County in northern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 1 a.m. At 8:02 p.m., local law enforcement reported flash flooding across the warned area. Numerous water rescues are ongoing in northern Middlesex County. Between 3 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for northeastern Somerset and northern Middlesex counties. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, and Carteret. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 13. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 27 and 42. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 30. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 121 and 134. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Holy crap.
Flash flood emergency for Montgomery County.
What?
Flash flood warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. this evening for northeastern Chester, northwestern Delaware, and
Okay. Wow. These emergencies are coming non-stop. Holy crap. Alright, that's where this video is going to end off. Hope you guys enjoyed it if you made it this far. I'm going to ask you to subscribe because I would enjoy that. Of course, we're so close to 100. And I'm so close to being here a year, so I would really appreciate it, as I got very worried about this stuff. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.